Okay, hello. You made it to step 3. Congratulations. That is super awesome. Um, and step 3 is the third and final step in the passive income system, and it's all about traffic. But before we jump into that, real quick, I'm gonna give you. I have had to remake this video because I got so many questions from people about just what the hell is going on with this. How does it all work? Does it really generate thousands of dollars per month for me? And the answer to all of those questions, of course, is yes, it does really work. Yes, it generates thousands of dollars. And I'm going to show you what it's all about with just a real short demonstration. And then we're going to jump back to step 3. So hang with me for 2 minutes here. What the passive income system is it is a sales funnel. Or as I like to refer to it, it is a money-making marketing machine. And what sales funnels are is a way to build a series of websites on the internet that you direct people through in a series of steps, and as they go through those steps, they do certain things that generate commissions for you. So our passive income system is just a giant sales funnel, and that's demonstrated right here by everything in the blue, right? This is our whole little system. And how it works is we direct traffic into the funnel, and as they go through the funnel, they sign up for Earn Easy Commissions, where you make $1. They sign up for Builderall, where you start making commissions off of that. And then they sign up for the third step, which is UDIMI, which I'll be just explaining what that is here in just a minute. And then once they go through that process, what comes out the bottom of the funnel is cash money in the form of commissions for you that goes straight into your PayPal account, which you can then hook up to your bank account or whatever. And that is how you make money. So the important factor here that a lot of people miss with the passive income system is Builderall. And the reason that this is in here is because Builderall is the software program that you need to have that will allow you to create sales funnels and put them live on the internet. Without Builderall, you can't get your version of the passive income system for free because it is the software that lets you build this exact website that we are taking you through right here. But you don't have to build it. Remember that. We've already built the entire thing for you. We are giving you a copy of the entire thing for free. And then you're switching out all of the affiliate links in there. You're making this your own affiliate link. You're making this your own affiliate link. You're making this your own affiliate link. So when you direct your traffic through your funnel, you'll be making a commission here and a commission here and a commission here. And then you're getting that cash at the end of the day. So keep in mind that this is only one passive income system or funnel. Once you have Builderall, you can go into it and make as many of these as you want. You can literally have 10 or as many as you want. You can have Builderall lets you make as many as you want. It's as many as you can make in the next year, in the lifetime of you and your computer. You can keep creating passive income systems like this and keep putting them up live on the internet. But in order to do that, you need this software. So make sure that you get your version, that you go in to step 2, click on the button and get Builderall, because that is what will allow you to then download your own free copy of this entire sales funnel that we've built for you. And then you can start directing traffic to your funnel. Also, stay tuned for the bonus at the end of the video, and look for the bonuses after that, because the Matt and Mack Show is a website that Mackenzie and I have created to help other people learn how to utilize and leverage social media, the internet, and advertising and marketing to create sales funnels like this and then generate more and more passive income streams for yourself. An interesting fact about the world is that the average millionaire has 5 different income streams. And what that means is they have 5 different ways that they are making money on average. On average, all of the millionaires have 5 different income streams. And so imagine now that you go through this, you get your Builderall account, you hook up all of your links, you download the free passive income system from us, and you get it up and live and running, and then it starts making money for you, and you fall in love with it. Well, then next week you can go into Builderall and start designing, replicating, or creating from scratch your very own funnel just like this, and you can make as many as you want. And then potentially, if you're good at this and if you're savvy, in a few months' time, you'll have 5 different revenue streams working for you. Even better, this kind of company is fully automated. Not only that, but this kind of company works for you 24/7, 7 days, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Once you put it up live on the internet, it is live 24 hours a day. It's never going to call in sick. It's never going to get pregnant and need maternity leave or anything like that. This is literally a money-making machine that doesn't quit. It never stops. And however much traffic you can send to it, that's how much money you're going to get out of the bottom of it. So the more traffic that you send through your funnel, the more people you will start to get to sign up for all of your affiliate links that you put into here, the more money that you'll make. Okay, so that's it. We're going to jump back over now real quick to step 3, where I'm going to show you how to sign up for your Udemy account, which is also free, and start directing traffic to your funnel. So here we go. Okay, well done for making it to step 3. This is the 3rd and final step in the passive income system. You're almost ready to get your passive income system live and start making that passive income off of all those affiliate commissions. This step right here is all about traffic. And so what that is all about is to get people coming to your passive income system and signing up for your affiliate links so that you are earning passive income. I'm going to show you how to do that in this step and show you another opportunity for you to earn even more commissions as well. The traffic source we're going to be using is called solo ads. If you don't know what solo ads are yet, they're basically email adverts that get sent out to a list of email subscribers. What that means is you'll have your link for your new funnel that you've created with all of your affiliate links inside, which we've set up. You're going to grab your link, and we'll show you where to get that in just a second. And you're going to take that link and give it to somebody who has a massive email list of subscribers, and they will then send that link out to that list, which will get people clicking on your link and sign up. So that's what solo ads are. You usually have to pay for solo ads. But with this system, I'm going to show you a way that we practically get them for free. So the first thing that you need to do is sign up for a free Udemy account using the button below. Udemy is just a website, like a marketplace that sells solo ads. So sign up using the button below for your free account, and then I'm going to show you how you can get all those solo ads, and then how we actually get them for free. So this is Udemy. Before we move on to the next stage, the great news is that Udemy also has an affiliate program. So this is another opportunity for us to start making affiliate commissions. So if you log into Udemy, go up to the top, click on affiliates, and you'll see that you earn 15% from all solo sales. So you need to get your affiliate link, click copy, and we're going to go add that to your funnel, right? Go back to your drag and drop HTML, go back to Builderall, drag on Click on drag and drop Pixel Perfect. Go to edit. It's going to edit up your editable version of your site. Go to step 3. And again, just like in steps 1 and 2, we're going to right click, go up here to action, and replace my affiliate link with your affiliate link. And what that means is that when somebody signs up through Udemy, you'll start making 15%. So now I'm going to show you how all these solo ads work and how with this system we get them for free, right? So go to find sellers up at the top here. And what we can see now is a list of people who own email lists. And when you purchase clicks from them, they'll send your link out to people. Scroll down, we're going to look for a decent person here. On the right-hand side is the price you're going to pay per click. So these are pretty good price, 35 cents. So click on the person that you want to use, and this will go into their profile, and you can kind of check them out. She's got 218 likes, 2 dislikes. She seems pretty good. So this is the price per click, 35 cents. And you can order as many as you want right here. And then this is where you paste in the link to your funnel. So again, go back to this, click on the blue. That's going to open a new tab. And you get this long link up here at the top. You're going to copy that link. Go back over to Udemy, and you just paste it in right there. And that's that's the link that she'll send out to her list. Purchasing 100 clicks for $38. Just click add to cart, and they will send 100 people. Now, you might be thinking this costs $38. I thought you said it was practically free. Well, this is why this system works well. So, you'll notice back on the first step, we've got the Earn Easy Commissions button, right? And the whole reason for this step is to pay for your traffic, because every time that somebody signs up for this, you earn $1. So we're not worried about the second and third step right now. We're just worried about making this $1 off of the first step, which is going to be paying for all the traffic that you send through your funnel. All right, so this is why this is so cool. This is why we added the first step into this, because if you're not spending any money on your advertising, well, you are spending money. You're purchasing the initial solo ads, right? You're sending those through your funnel, but you should have at least a healthy percentage of those people signing up for the Earn Easy Commissions free site, which is generating you $1 every single time. So if you purchase 100 clicks for $38, at least half of them should sign up, right? So that means that you made $50. So that means you're already in profit, which means you can go back to Udemy and purchase 200, 300, 400 clicks, because it's not costing you a single penny to advertise, right? And then once those people go past that, they move on to step number 2, and they sign up for a Builderall account, which means you'll make $50 off every single person. So if 50 people made it through Earn Easy Commissions and they go on to do the Builderall account, 50 times 50 is $2,500. If that many, and then you move on to Udemy, and those people also sign up for that and start purchasing solo ads to run through their passive income system, and you start making 15% of all of the solo ads that they purchase off that as well. You can just continue to upscale and upscale, and that is why this system works so doggone well, why it's making so much passive income from me. Okay, so that's it. That is the entire passive income system. I'll give you guys a real quick recap of it. Step 1, Earn Easy Commissions account, where you need to set up your free account so that you can get your affiliate link, and then move on to step 2. Step 2, set up your free 30-day trial to your Builderall Business account. Once you do that, you can download your free done-for-you passive income system. Once you download that system, the first thing you're going to do is save it. Go to step 1, right click on the Earn Easy Commissions button, go up to Action, delete my affiliate link, put your affiliate link in. Then you're going to move on to step 2. You get your affiliate link from Builderall. And when I showed you guys how to do that in step 2, go back onto your editable version and replace the Builderall button's affiliate link. Right click on that button, go up to Action, delete my affiliate link, put your affiliate link in, and save. And then move on to step 3, where you have created your free Udemy account. You'll go back to the editor one more time, right click on that button, exchange my affiliate link with yours, and save. And now your entire passive income system is 100% set up and ready to rock and roll. It's ready for traffic to get sent to it. And here is where a lot of people fail. And what I mean by that is people think that they're going to go spend $20, send it to their passive income system, and next week they're going to have $5,000 in their bank account. And that's not the truth. The truth is that this becomes a numbers game at this point, and that is why we created the first step to cancel out your ad costs. You need to start running as much traffic as you possibly can on a consistent, regular basis through your passive income system. The more traffic that you run through it, the more people will the better your chances are that more people will actually start signing up for the free Earn Easy Commissions account, that people will also start signing up for the Builderall Business account, and then also the Udemy account. And the more and more people that do that, the more and more times your computer is going to go ding, you got a sale, and you're going to see your PayPal account go up. All right. I don't think there's anything else that I need to tell you at the moment. Be sure to check out the bonus step down below, where if you guys put in your email address to get added to my private list, I will be sending you the video of how I personally get free traffic, 100% free traffic, no purchasing, and then getting the ad cost covered later. It's just how to get free traffic for all of you that do not know, or maybe possibly don't have the money to be putting into this in the beginning. I will show you ways to get free traffic. So if you're interested in that, please enter your email address, sign up for my private list, and I will personally be teaching you guys how to do that. Also, if you have any questions whatsoever at all, you can find my contact information in here in the passive income system. But the easiest way to get a hold of me is just to go to either one of these two places. Go to TheMattandMackShow on Facebook or TheMattandMackShow on Instagram and send me a direct message or a private message. If you do that, I have my phone on me all the time. It'll let me know, and I try to answer people within an hour. So that way, if you guys have any questions, I will try to personally reach out and help you out. I hope that this passive income system starts working for you immediately. I hope it starts generating as much money for you as it is generating for me. Remember that the more you are willing to give, the more that you will start to receive. And that is why this passive income system is all about sharing it with your next friend. Because if I got you interested in doing it and you're hyped up and think this is super cool, I then want you to give it to your friend. And then when you give it to your friend and they sign up for that Builderall Business account, you make money. And then when they give it to their friend and they sign up underneath your friend, you make money again. And so it goes. And that is really the genius behind all of this. I look forward to hearing from anybody that has questions, and I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day or night or whatever. Rock on. I'll talk to you soon.